I have decided not to get married because men of this generation are cooked, I don't know how cooked, and I personally don't entertain the culture of cooking and cleaning after a man, and my parents are against my will. Am I sinning for doing that?
No. No, you're not sinning. Actually, you're doing men a favor. The likes of you does not deserve to get married, because you're going to make the life of your husband hell. Stay unmarried, stay with your parents, take care of them until they die, then you take care of the children of your siblings until you die. Because you're not normal. As harsh as it may sound, seriously, what do you expect me to do? Pamper you? Pat you on the back? I don't do this. Sheikh maybe does this. Ibrahim is good in this. I don't do this. I have 13 girls. I give them hell. You open your eyes. This is life. It is not a charity. Life is not a charity. It's all about demand and supply. I, as a man, want to get married. I have 1,000 women queuing, waiting for me to say, you. A woman wanting to get married may find only 5 or 10 queuing, or none. This is the sad reality. And this is what I tell my daughters. Lower your bar. Don't go for the glory. Don't go for the moon. Because your knight in a shining armor will not come. One of my daughters says, I want to marry an imam who's a huge, big businessman, who is an athlete and has a bodybuilding physique, who's taller than me, who's beautiful and handsome. And I said, wait. Look in the mirror. What do you see? Ask for something equal or below. You can't ask for something that is way more. A man with such characteristic will look for Miss Universe 2022. Not for you. So, lower the bar, number one. Number two, nobody's perfect. I have my own shortcomings and my flaws. So when I look for a wife, I will lower my bar and, okay, I accept this or that. But to come and say, all men like cooking. Men, on the contrary, would say, all women like nagging. Is that a right statement? Of course not. It's unfair. So, if men do not like cooking, would they fast? What do you mean? Should I marry someone and we always breakfast, lunch and dinner get takeaways? This is not logical. If I say all women like to sit home and not work and earn, I want to marry someone who's rich and working and making me sit on my PlayStation 4 playing games, and she works and earns and puts food on the table. Would you like this as a woman? She says, no, he's not a real man. And likewise, you're not a real woman. So it's not a charity. You give, you take. But you cannot just take without giving, and Allah knows best.